Rotisserie chicken. A lot of times it costs under 10 bucks. You could feed 4 people with it. We're gonna give you an idea to use that rotisserie chicken. You might even have half of one in your refrigerator right now. Michael Symon, you're up.
Pull up a chair and get ready for a good time with Michael Symon, Carla Hall, and Clinton Kelly. Let's get into it.
Oh, Clinton, I'm making a dish that I have made so many times, I could literally probably make it blindfold.
Let's do it.
So in I'm gonna put you in the Wayback Machine.
Okay.
1992.
Okay, that's
I am
way back.
I've just got my first executive chef job at a restaurant called Piccolo Mundo in downtown Cleveland.
Piccolo Mundo.
It was the first kitchen that I ever worked in, restaurant kitchen, that was a full live fire kitchen. So we did have a stove, but we also had a giant wood-burning pizza oven, a giant wood-burning grill, and a wood-burning rotisserie. And we used to do, wood-roasted meats and so forth on the grill and the rotisserie. And we always had wood-roasted chickens, and sometimes there were some left over. So 2 things happened at that time. One, we had this relatively upscale restaurant in downtown Cleveland at a time where there weren't many upscale restaurants in downtown Cleveland or in Cleveland in general. And we were in the Midwest, so people wanted mac and cheese. And this was 1992, so I will say it was before the upscale mac and cheese had hit mainstream, so to speak.
Right.
So between the lack of upscale mac and cheese hitting mainstream and rotisserie chickens that I had to use, I decided to make a mac and cheese with rotisserie chicken.
What's not to love about that?
Exactly.
So this is a mac and cheese with its heavy cream, goat cheese, fresh rosemary, pulled rotisserie chicken, and a little bit of pasta water. Unbeknownst to me at the time, the dish became very, very, very popular to the point where it became the bane of my existence almost. I couldn't even look at it and smell it. It followed me from Piccolo Mondo to Caxton Cafe to when Liz and I opened Lola. And it was our biggest seller. No matter what else I put on the menu, we sold 1 billion mac and cheeses.
Wow.
And I finally took it off the menu because and it was a revolt. But I couldn't do it anymore.
Yeah.
I'd hit my my maximum level. But it is delicious, and it is still probably one of the dishes and recipes people request the most from me. Because they like making it at home, they like making it for their kids. And it was Kyle, who was an incredible picky kid, ate the mac and cheese for years at the restaurants. I'm just gonna start by putting some heavy cream in. I have some pasta, which I've cooked to al dente rigatoni. So heavy cream goes in.
And while you're doing that, I just want to say, while you were saying people requested it, well, we want to thank Fresh Direct because we requested all of these ingredients from you and you delivered. So thank you.
Thank you, Fresh Direct.
Boom, boom. Love it, Carla Hall. So Kyle, for years, especially at Caxton and then at Lola, pretty much every day he was very picky. Every day we'd pick him up from school, bring him to the restaurant, he'd do his homework, and he wanted mac and cheese, and I would just make him this pasta, which he housed, and then he started dating, so he came in to Lola on a date, and we had an open kitchen there, and he comes back to the kitchen, and he's like, hey, can I just get the mac and cheese? Like, oh, you can get whatever you want. I mean, your mom and I own the restaurant. You're not paying, get whatever you want. No, the one that you make me. I go, it's on the menu, mac and cheese. And he goes, no, the one on the menu has goat cheese in it. I'm like, the one that you've been eating for 15 years has goat cheese in it. He's like, oh my God, that's so gross.
Oh my God.
He's the pickiest eater.
Stop
He's like,
it.
I can't eat goat cheese. I'm like, can you eat cow's cheese? Oh no, that's gross too. He had a lot of mental hang-ups about food.
With the animal being named before the cheese.
Correct.
Right.
So, so that's the mac and
hilarious.
cheese story. So heavy cream. To the heavy cream, I add a good pinch of kosher salt.
You see that beautiful chunk of butter that
It just kind of melted.
Oh, no.
A good amount of turns of cracked black pepper.
Yum.
And then just what would almost seem like a ridiculous amount of rosemary goes in here. And I'm just gonna chop it up relatively fine.
I remember I got into a fight once about rosemary. My friend was like, oh, rosemary is the worst herb. I was like, what is wrong with you? I literally made me mad.
Oh, I do.
She's offended
like
you.
rosemary and
Offended her,
chicken, I think are like
Right?
peas and carrots. You know,
What
Yeah.
did
it's
she
just
say? Did she get offended that you were so offended about her?
We just got,
dislike
it
of
was
rosemary?
it was like when Facebook first came out.
Yeah.
It was like we got into a Facebook fight over rosemary.
Wow.
oh my God.
I was like, I don't even know you all that well. Just because we went to high school together doesn't mean we have to be
Right.
friends.
Oh my
Block. I don't like rosemary. Block.
You know what's funny?
Hilarious.
Rosemary must be the herb of Cleveland for some reason, because the two most popular things that we ever did at the restaurant were this mac and cheese, and we did rosemary French. They were called Lola fries.
Yeah.
And we fried them in pork fat, which made them delicious. They were like double fried, and then when we'd fry them, we'd put like a head of garlic and rosemary in the fryer, and then when they come out, we'd sprinkle them with fresh rosemary and sea salt. And
I mean,
So good.
they were
sounds
huge.
So good.
So rosemary goes in.
Yeah, that's a nice fine cut
Yeah.
too.
And then this beautiful pulled roasted chicken. And we just let this come up to a simmer and start to reduce. So it also, I never put it in it for the restaurant. You know, I was younger back then, I probably didn't even think of it. But I mean, when Piccolo opened, I was 22. And I shouldn't have probably been an shouldn't have been an executive chef yet. I was hired as a sous chef. And about a week before the restaurant opened, the guy that was hired as a chef basically just was like, I can't do this, and quit. And then Carl Quagliata, the owner, is like, Mikey's the chef. He's going to be the chef. I'm like, I can't. The restaurant I was a sous chef at prior to Piccolo was 38 seats.
Oh,
And Piccolo
wow.
was 140 plus bar. It was and when we opened, it was the biggest hit in Cleveland. It was doing like 400 covers a night. And I'm like, you know, like.
That's an
I
insane
mean, trial
amount.
by
Yeah,
fire.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like I remember Carla, so we were having friends and family. So like a lot of times when you open a restaurant, you have, and you've probably been to these parties, you have the friends and family day. And Carl is in the kitchen with me, and he's like, I'll work pasta, because his other restaurant was Giovanni's, a very high-end Italian. He's like, I'll work pasta with the guys. You're good. Like, you work the grill and the live fire. I'm like, got it. So we're going. It's busy. More people were like, Friends of Family is supposed to be calm. Like you invite 70 people. It's mobbed. And he goes, Mikey, we're out of eggplant. Where's the eggplant? I go, it's down in the cooler. He goes, all right. He runs down, he comes up, he goes, I couldn't find it. How much? I go, I ordered one. He goes, one case? I go, no, one eggplant. Because I was used to this little restaurant. One eggplant lasted 3 days. You know, like,
God, yes.
and he's like, oh, my mingya. You know, he starts swearing in Italian. I'm like, oh, I knew enough Italian and knew that I was in big trouble.
Oh my
you know,
God.
Poor little Mikey.
poor little Mikey. All right, so once it comes up to a boil,
I would also like to say, if your rotisserie chicken is getting a little dry in the refrigerator, this has got to perk it
a lot
right
of
up.
fat. Yeah.
Right up. I mean,
this
that's gonna go.
This is not, you know, Clinton, this one doesn't fit into your fat soup diet, and I don't even want to know what it is on the calories
He
scale.
renamed the fat suit.
The fat soup diet.
You know how the fat suit.
Oh my God. Rigatoni. Do you always use rigatoni?
We always made it with rigatoni,
Okay.
but
Good,
you
yeah.
can make it with
There we
any.
go.
Shells would be great too.
But I think
to
the
be honest.
rigatoni seems like a good
Yeah.
choice here to hold
I was
up.
trying to be fancy. You know, I was 22 trying to be fancy. So it's reducing. You know, you're basically making like a cream sauce, right? Not basically, you're making a cream sauce. And then you just start dropping in. In Cleveland, we had this great producer of local goat cheese, you know, and so I used to get this beautiful local goat cheese, and we would just fold it in and let some of it melt and some of it stay a little bit chunky in there.
Yeah, Kyle didn't see the chunky bits.
Oh no, Kyle's, I melted it all the way. Kyle, I did the full melt, so it just looked like a white cream sauce to him, you know?
Yeah.
That is so funny.
Yeah, so funny.
This looks beautiful. I think also, you know, what I love that you've done, you've put the cream in there, and you built all those flavors while the cream reduces with the chicken. You know, and so the cream is infused not only with the rosemary, but also like chicken flavor.
But it's like the simplest dish. Like Tim was like, dude, he goes, it's so funny. I look at this dish. He goes, my brothers and sisters still make it all the time at their house. Because Tim worked for me at Caxton in the kitchen. So like he used to make it, and then his brothers and sisters make it. And he goes, whenever any of my brothers and sisters make it, they still like, oh, are we having Mike's pasta tonight? Like it's still like, I can't shake this dish. All right, let me see where we are with seasoning.
I just can't shake this dish. Just can't shake.
I also
can't shake
reserved
this dish.
some pasta water just in case.
We were like singing into my microphone. Oh, sorry, we're having our own little. We're making a music video over here.
You didn't know Jesse's Girl before.
I know Jesse's Girl. I
But
just
we
don't know
know
the
can't
words
shake
at the
this dish. Hey, real quick.
We'll make this fast, we promise.
If you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button right now. Don't wait.
And subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. $0.
If you're on Spotify, follow the show. Apple Podcasts, follow. Anywhere you listen, follow.
We are the Chewed Up Show, part of All Chewed Up channel.
And we are everywhere. So if you found us,
Subscribe. Tell your friends and family. It's free. There's no excuse.
Like, subscribe, follow. Do it.
You may have noticed some of the boards and plates we're using. Those are all from Frontgate, including some from my very own collection.
They've got everything from outdoor furniture to decor to entertaining essentials, all made with quality, comfort, and style in mind.
and since most of it is designed in-house, you can't find their pieces anywhere else.
Frontgate, thanks for making our spread look so good.
For more information, go to frontgate.com.
Also, in true Cleveland fashion back in the day, of course, this was served as an entree and it was a giant portion. I'm gonna serve this a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah,
know.
please. I mean,
Just snack.
petite
Snack portion.
you all have to appreciate how much food we're eating, and sometimes
Oh my God.
we just really want. If you just see that our portion are 3 rigatonis, yours can be 6.
Yeah.
You
I
do
am-
you.
Do you, boo? Do you? Oh yeah! Wow,
Oh, that
the
was good.
smell. You know, I think the rosemary masks the goat cheese.
But they
Masks
play
in
so
terms of the
nice
flavor.
together,
They
too,
play
though.
really nice together.
Well,
But I
yeah,
can
like
see
for
why-
Kyle, it hit it.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
I can
okay.
see why Kyle didn't realize he was having goat's cheese.
the goat's
The
cheese.
cheese of the goats.
But it is funny though. It's such a simple pasta
this is
to
so
make.
beautiful.
But
Yes.
it's just like what's not to like about it? It's
Yeah.
fat, it's cheese, it's fresh
Can you do one
rosemary,
here
and it's
too? Just
pasta.
one.
I'm gonna save this so when we do the one for
Oh, okay.
so it looks fresh.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, okay.
Get in.
Okay. Right.
Tell me what you guys think.
Thank you, babe.
Sure, thank you.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I can take my picture later too. Ooh, it smells.
You want to
so
hear
good.
something else funny?
Yes.
I think when I first put this on the menu in 1992 in Piccolo we sold for $12.95. for an
Wow.
entree.
Amazing, Michael. Amazing. Amazing.
What is not to love about that?
I know, right?
Right?
It's so like this is my first signature dish, literally.
Oh, there is
Amazing.
nothing wrong with this. It's so good.
And you know what I love about the chicken? It just sort of falls apart. It becomes almost the way that it wraps around the noodles with the cream.
Mm-hmm.
It's excellent.
It's like
I mean, not
it's like cream of chicken soup with some noodles in it.
You see that piece of chicken that went into the noodle?
Yeah, oh, I had
I
that
mean-
before. No.
Yeah, and rigatoni just works well with this, I feel.
Wow.
Wow. I mean, I may be windy later, but it's totally worth it.
Yeah, it's
From
just
the cream?
I haven't had this in so long. Oh my God, it's good. It's so good.
I mean, I'm saying it's worth it. I'm gonna be on a plane.
Hopefully, some of the rosemary works back into your wind, so at least you'll smell floral.
I am so sorry for those of you who think it's nasty. At 60 plus, this is what you talk about.
Wow, Michael,
Wow.
that's delicious. I mean, delicious.
Truly.
Yeah.
Simple,
Wow.
tasty, comes together. Like if you have the rotisserie chicken already made, it literally 5 minutes.
Right? I mean, yeah. We've been standing in this kitchen for 13 minutes. We've already cooked it and
Eaten it and bullshitted for a while. And,
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. Yay, Michael.
hey, should we pick a fan of the week?
Oh, yeah.
Fan of the day?
Fan of the day?
Yeah.
You are the fan of the day.
Oh my God, I feel like you guys rehearsed it. Did
fan.
we rehearse
We
it?
we
the
did not
pop of
rehearse
a
it.
fan.
That came
What?
through us. Fan of the day, digging in the bowl.
You're the puff puff a fan. What? You're the puff puff a fan. What?
All right, it is. Got to put my glasses on because I don't think this is a name that I've ever seen before. Militia?
Militia, like Felicia.
Oh, like
Or
Felicia with an M. Militia.
Militia.
From New York, New York.
All right, Militia.
What? Militia from New York, New York.
Oh.
You are the fan of the day, girl. Okay, we're gonna do a little video for you as soon as we wrap this show. We're gonna do a video for you, and yeah. Is anything else I'm supposed to say?
No.
No,
Everybody else?
thank you. We gave you a little look into my past today.
All of that cream went right to my head. I'm having
See,
like
this is why you two are so much
Better your head than your boob.
real quick before we say bye. This is why you two are so much skinnier than me.
I want to finish it all, believe me, but we got some more eating to do. All right, have a
Don't
fabulous
call
day,
me
everybody.
Call me Chelsea.
Thanks for tuning in to Chewed Up, and thanks to our sponsors Fresh Direct and Frontgate for making this show possible. New episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To subscribe, snag recipes, and dig into all the extra fun, head to allchewedup.com or just click subscribe to Chewed Up Show on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts. Now go and make a mess in your own kitchen.